Today we're diving into the Red Cross's urgent list of must-have emergency items, essentials that could save your life. As I go through each item, pause the video and check your own supplies. This is your real-time checklist. Grab a notepad and let's get prepared together. When it comes to emergency preparedness, there's one item that stands above all the rest: water. It's the most critical resource you can have on hand, no matter what kind of situation you're facing. Whether it's a natural disaster, a power outage, or any unexpected event, having enough clean water can make the difference between comfort and crisis. Experts recommend storing at least 1 gallon of water per person, per day, for a minimum of 3 days. This covers both drinking and basic hygiene needs. If you have pets, don't forget to include them in your calculations. If you have the space, try to store even more. Having a week's supply is ideal, especially if you live in an area prone to emergencies. But don't just rely on bottled water alone. Emergencies can last longer than expected, and supplies can run out. That's why it's smart to have backup options like water purification tablets or a high-quality portable filter. These tools can help you make questionable water sources safe to drink, giving you peace of mind if your stored supply runs low. Take a few minutes to calculate your family's total water needs, including everyone in your household. Check your current supply and see if you have enough to meet the recommended guidelines. It's easy to underestimate how much water you'll actually use in an emergency, so double-check your numbers. If you find you're short on water, make it your top priority to stock up as soon as possible. Water is often the first thing to disappear from store shelves when disaster strikes, so don't wait until the last minute. Start building your supply now and add to it whenever you can. Remember, water is absolutely non-negotiable in any emergency plan. It's the foundation of survival. Take action today to ensure you and your loved ones have enough clean water to stay safe, healthy, and prepared for whatever comes your way. When it comes to preparing for emergencies, having a supply of non-perishable food is absolutely essential. These are the foods that can last for months or even years without spoiling, making them perfect for your emergency kit or pantry. Experts recommend storing enough food to last every person in your household at least 3 days, but having a week or more is even better for peace of mind. Focus on items that don't need refrigeration, freezing, or even cooking. Foods you can eat straight from the package if the power goes out. Canned meats like tuna, chicken, or salmon, and hearty beans are great sources of protein and energy. Don't forget canned vegetables for vitamins, and peanut butter for healthy fats, and a quick, filling snack. Protein bars, mixed nuts, and crackers are compact, calorie-dense, and easy to store. Perfect for quick meals or snacks. And don't underestimate the power of comfort foods. A pack of cookies or some instant coffee can lift spirits and provide a sense of normalcy during stressful times. Remember, if you're storing canned goods, a manual can opener is a must. Electric ones won't help if the power is out. Rotate your stock every 6 months to keep everything fresh, and always check expiration dates when you restock. Choose foods your family actually enjoys eating. Emergencies are stressful enough without having to eat things no one likes. Stock a variety of options so you don't get stuck with just beans or one type of food. Mix it up for nutrition and morale. Finally, check your pantry regularly and fill any gaps. A well-stocked pantry means you're ready for whatever comes your way. A complete first aid kit is a must. Buy a pre-made kit and customize it with extra meds, allergy relief, and tools like tweezers. Learn basic first aid and CPR. Knowing how to use your kit is as important as having it. Get your kit, personalize it, and know how to use every item. When the power's out, you need flashlights. 1 per person, plus extras. Headlamps are great for hands-free work. Don't rely on your phone's flashlight. Save that battery. Stock up on extra batteries or get a hand crank flashlight as backup. Place flashlights in your kit, bedroom, and car. Light is safety. Don't be left in the dark. Batteries are one of the most essential items you can keep on hand. They power your flashlights, making sure you're never left in the dark during a power outage or emergency. With just a simple set of batteries, you can instantly bring light to any situation, no matter where you are. Radios, portable fans, and even some medical devices all rely on batteries to keep working when you need them most. Having a steady supply means you can stay connected, informed, and comfortable even if the power goes out. Stock up on all the sizes you use. AA batteries are the most common, but don't forget about the others. AAA, DC, and 9-volt batteries are also important for a variety of devices, from remotes to smoke detectors and more. Store your batteries in a cool, dry place to help them last longer and prevent leaks or corrosion. Make it a habit to check expiration dates and rotate your supply at least once a year, so you always have fresh batteries ready to go. Buying in bulk can save you money in the long run and ensures you'll have plenty on hand for every device in your home. Regularly check your devices to make sure the batteries are still working and replace them as needed to avoid surprises. Make a list of all the battery types your household uses and keep it with your emergency kit. With the right batteries, you'll always be ready to power up when it matters most. If you rely on prescription meds, get an extra supply for emergencies. Stock over-the-counter essentials, pain relievers, antacids, antidiarrheals, and allergy meds. Keep a written list of medications and dosages in your kit. Check expiration dates regularly. Your health can't wait. Prepare now. A multi-purpose tool is your pocket-sized toolbox. Choose a quality brand with pliers, knife, screwdrivers, and a can opener. Practice using it before you need it. It saves space and solves countless problems. Don't skimp on quality. This tool could save your life. Add it to your kit. Sanitation is crucial. Stock toothbrushes, toothpaste, soap, and hand sanitizer. Pack toilet paper, feminine hygiene products, garbage bags, and plastic ties. Consider a portable toilet for long-term situations. Preventing illness is key when help is far away. These items take little space but make a huge difference. Don't overlook hygiene. Stay clean, stay healthy. Emergency blankets, tiny, light, and life-saving. They reflect body heat, are waterproof, and can be used as shelter. Pack one for every family member. Don't underestimate this simple tool. A whistle can save your life if you need to signal for help. 3 blasts is the universal distress signal. Get a loud, P-less whistle for reliability. Attach one to every keychain and kit. Practice the signal with your family. Dust masks protect your lungs from smoke, dust, and debris. Get N95 masks for the best protection. Stock enough for everyone, including kids. Keep them sealed until needed. Breathing easy is survival. Paper maps are essential when GPS fails. Get detailed local and regional maps and learn to read them. Mark evacuation routes, hospitals, and shelters. Store them in a waterproof bag with a compass. When tech fails, paper guides you home. Your phone is vital for alerts and communication. Keep it charged. Get a high-capacity power bank, a solar charger, and a car charger. Set up emergency alerts on your phone. Multiple charging options mean you're never out of touch. Don't let your lifeline go dead. Stay connected. Cash is king when cards and ATMs don't work. Keep small bills, 20s, 10s, 5s, and 1s, in a waterproof bag. Store enough for food, gas, and lodging for several days. Don't dip into this fund unless it's a real emergency. Cash gives you options when nothing else works. Be ready. Make copies of IDs, insurance, and important documents. Store them in a waterproof, fireproof bag and on a password-protected USB drive. Include emergency contacts and medical info. Redundancy is key. Keep backups in different places. Protect your identity and recovery. Pack a full change of clothes for each person. Think layers, sturdy shoes, and extra socks. Tailor your kit for your climate. Include hats, gloves, or sun protection as needed. Vacuum seal outfits to save space. Dry, clean clothes are comfort and survival. Don't overlook this basic need. Pets need their own emergency kit: food, water, meds leash, and documents. Pack at least 3 days' worth of supplies. Include a photo of you with your pet for ID. Bring waste bags and a favorite toy for comfort. Plan for your pets. They depend on you. That's the Red Cross's list. 17 must-haves for any emergency. Start building your kit today, one item at a time. Share this video and help others get prepared. Comment below with your top priority or anything you'd add. Stay safe, stay ready, and take action now. Thanks for watching.